So if you're looking like as fourth method and fifth method, same one pattern only. Okay. So what about that? If the equation, sorry, in the equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, in the equation ndx plus mdy, mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, then first one will circum. If 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal to f of x. Okay, it means simply what we can say that is a function in x, is a function in x, then e power integral f of x dx, e power integral f of x dx is an integrating factor, is an integrating factor. Okay, and next to b1, if oppositum, so 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equal g of y. It means is a function in y, then e power integral g of y dy is an integrating factor, is an integrating factor. Okay, so method 2 and method 3 homogeneous, there it is, and integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny, and method 3 y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy is equal to 0, and 1 by mx minus ny is an integrating factor. In the same way here it is, if you find this 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, and you should get the function, and that function should be in terms of x only, it should not containing any y terms, then in that case what we have to choose integrating factor, e power integral f of x dx we can choose as integrating factor. In the same way, if you calculate this one, if you are getting only the function y in terms of z in terms of y, then we'll take integrating factor as e power integral g of y dy. After finding integrating factor, as usual the procedure. So what about that procedure we are applying? We should multiply that integrating factor with the given differential equation, and you need to find the general solution for that equation by checking the exactness. Okay, then which one you need to apply, sir? This one or this one? Just by seeing the equation, how can I identify which one I need to apply? In the given problem, if it is in the form of mdx plus ndy, in that which one is the smallest one? Smallest one in the sense, in these two terms, in these functions, m function and n function, which one is the smallest one comparing to the other one? Then we have to apply that. Suppose in the problem m is the smallest one, and then in that case we need to apply for this one. And next, if it is n is the smallest one, then you need to apply this one. So like that you can identify by seeing the problem. Suppose both are as smallest functions only, then you can apply any one of that. And most of the times this by applying these formulas only people can get it without using the third method. Okay, and third method problems also you may get it by using these methods in some of the cases. Okay, in third method integration may be difficult, but by using this simply you can get it. Okay, so let us see the problem. So you people only can easily say that whether which one you need to apply just by seeing the question. Okay, so first one is circum. Solve problems here. Solve xy square minus e power 1 by x cube, xy square minus e power 1 by x cube dx minus x square y dy is equal to 0. X square y dy is equal to 0. Is this in the form of mdx plus ndy or not? In that, which one is the smallest one? See that. So if you observe this function, it consisting of two terms, but here it is having only one term. What is the term? X square y. But in that, xy square minus e power 1 by x cube. So both the terms we have two terms here, and here it is only one term. So it means this is the smallest one. So for that, which formula we need to apply? This formula you need to apply. So A you need to apply. Suppose here is the smallest one and here the function is the largest one. Then in that case we can apply B formula. Okay, is it clear? So then write the solution for this. The given differential equation is of the form mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, where m is equal, from the given problem we can write m as well as n. So m is equal to what here? Xy square minus e power 1 by x cube, and n is nothing but minus x square y. And now what we need to calculate? First we need to find dou my by dou y, and next dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y is equal. So dou y of, here it is, what about m? Xy square minus c power 1 by x cube. So this is equal, with respect to y we are applying means x is a constant one. So x we can write outside. And what is the derivative of y square? 2y. And next, is there any y term? There is no y term in that. So obviously this is a constant one. The derivative is 0. So for that, simply what we got it here? 2xy. So this is dou m by dou y. Next, dou n by dou x is equal. So dou n by dou x is equal dou by dou x of minus x square y. So here it is, with respect to x means y is a constant. You can write minus y outside, and then the derivative of x square is nothing but 2x. So this is equal, simply what we got it? Minus 2xy. So this is dou n by dou x. So I got it dou n by dou y and dou n by dou x. Are they equal? No. Here I got it as 2xy and here I got it as minus 2xy. So this is a non-exact differential equation. And if you see that m and n terms, n is the smallest one. So for that, which formula we can calculate? 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal 1 by n is nothing but what? Minus x square y. And dou m by dou y is nothing but how much I got it? 2xy. And next, minus dou n by dou x. How much I got it? Minus 2xy. So this is equal, simply what we got it here? Minus 1 by x square y. And this is 2xy minus into minus plus, so 2xy. So here it is, minus 2xy plus 2xy is nothing but 4xy by x square y. So any cancellation one here, y both will cancel. And next, here it is, 1x cancel. What about remaining? Minus 4 by x only. If you see that, is the function in terms of x only or not? So for that, simply what we can write, which is equal to f of x. So 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou m by dou x is equal f of x. I got it. Now I should calculate integrating factor. So integrating factor is equal e power integral f of x dx. So this is equal e power integral f of x is nothing but what I got it? Minus 4 by x dx. So this is equal e power minus 4 is a constant. Simply you can write outside. integral 1 by x dx. So this is equal to e power minus 4 into integral 1 by x is nothing but log x, right? And then so this is equal to e power m log a is nothing but simply what we can write log a power m. So log x power minus 4. So this is equal simply what we can write x power minus 4. So this is the integrating factor. So integrating factor what we got it x power minus 4. And now we need to multiply this integrating factor with the given differential equation. So multiplying integrating factor with the given differential equation with the given differential equation. And now so by multiplying that what we'll get x power minus 4 into xy square minus e power 1 by x cube dx, and next minus x power minus 4 into x square into y dy is equal 0. So this is the second equation or first equation you can take it, which is of the form m1 dx, which is of the form m1 dx plus n1 dy is equal to 0, where m1 is equal. So what we got it x power minus 4 into xy square minus c power 1 by x cube, and next n1 is equal so minus x power minus 4 into x square into y. So this is equal simply what we'll get here minus, here it is a power m into a power n. So minus 4 plus 2 is nothing but minus 2 into y. And next here it is what we'll get. So directly you can choose m1 and n1 we got it. Next what we need to check? We need to check dou m1 by dou y and dou n1 by dou x. So dou m1 by dou y is equal. So dou by dou y of m1 is nothing but what we got it x power minus 4 into, so x power minus 4 into what we got it xy square minus c power xy square minus c power 1 by x cube. So this is m1. Now you can simplify this one dou by dou y of, here it is you can multiply inside of the term. If you multiply inside of the term, here it is having 1. So minus 4 plus 1 is nothing but minus 3 into y square, and next minus x power minus 4 e power 1 by x cube. So with respect to x means y is a constant one. So for that y square you can write outside, and what, sorry, with respect to y means x is a constant one here. So here it is simply what we can write x power minus 3 outside, and y square derivative is nothing but 2y. And here it is there is no y term, so this is a constant, the derivative becomes 0. Simply what we got it 2x power minus 3 into y. So this is dou m1 by dou y. And next you need to calculate dou n1 by dou x. So this is equal dou y dou x of n1 is nothing but, here it is what we have n1 minus x power minus 2 into y. So minus x power minus 2 into y. This is n. Now with respect to x means y is a constant, so minus y we can write outside. And what is the derivative of x power minus 2? So minus 2 into x power minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. So simply what we got it here 2 into x power minus 3 into y. So simply what we got it dou m1 by dou y is equal dou n1 by dou x. So both are equal. Now we can find the general solution. So the general solution is integral m dx m1 dx, and we have to take y as a constant one, and next plus integral n1 dy. So here it is, do not contain terms do not contain x in n. Terms do not contain x in n, dy is equal to c. N is nothing but here n1. So integral m1 dx. What about m1 here? M1 is nothing but simply what we got it, x power minus 3 y square. So this one I am writing here. Okay, minus x power minus 4 e power 1 by x cube whole dx. Whole dx. And next here it is plus. Is there any term without having x here in n1? So this is the n1 term. So in n1, is there any term without having x? So this is only that remaining term. So nothing in that. So for that, simply what we can write, 0 dy is equal c. And then we need to simplify only this one, integral x power minus 3 y square minus x power minus 4 e power 1 by x cube is nothing but simply what we can write, x power minus 3 dx is equal to c. So this is the remaining one. Now we need to find the integration for this one, and then simply what we can write here it is, we already know that y is a constant one. So for that, y square into integral x power minus 3 dx minus integral x power minus 4 e power x power minus 3 dx is equal to c. And then here it is, y square into, is this directly in the form of integral x power n or not? So simply x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So that is minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. And now here it is, I am multiplying with 3 and dividing with 3. So 1 by 3 into, and I am writing minus instead of the term, minus 3 x power minus 4 into e power x power minus 3 dx is equal to c. And next here it is minus 2. So y square into x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus 1 by 3 into e power x power minus 3 is equal to c. How I wrote directly this one? In intermediate you have one formula, e power f of x into f dash of x dx is equal simply what we can write, e power f of x. So this is the formula. So this one you can apply. If you don't remember this formula, simply you can take first x power minus 3 is equal to t, differentiating on both sides. Then you can apply this. Like that also, substitution method also you can do it, or direct formula you can apply. Are you getting same or not? See here, f of x is nothing but x power minus 3. What is the derivative of x power minus 3? So minus 3 into x power minus 3 minus 1. That is nothing but minus 3 x power minus 4. Is it here or not? So for that I multiplied with 3 and divided with 3. So direct formula this one you can apply, or put this one is equal to t. Differentiating on both sides, then you get dx is equal this one dt. And in place of this one you can write dt e power t. Integral e power t is nothing but e power t as is. So like this. So like this you can find the solution for the given problem. Comparing to method 2 and 3, you people can get easily these problems. Okay. Next question. Solve here it is, xy cube plus y into dx, xy cube plus y into dx plus 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 into dy is equal to 0. So this is the question. So here it is. Write down the solution for this. So is this directly in the form of mdx plus ndy or not? So here it is. The given differential equation is of the form mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Where m is equal, what about m? M is equal to xy cube plus y, and n is equal to 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4. And now you can find dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. My is equal. So m we are applying with respect to ym. So this is m. So with respect to y means x is a constant one. So y cube derivative is 3y square plus y derivative is 1. It means simply what we got it, 3xy square plus 1. So this is dou m by dou y. And in the same way, dou n by dou x is equal 2 into. So here it is, x square y square. With respect to x means y is a constant one. So y square as this, and x square derivative is 2x plus x derivative is 1 and y power 4 derivative is 0. It means simply what we got it, 2 into 2xy square plus 1. So this one we got it. Now which one we need to apply the formula? Is this coming under homogeneous? Is the term degree same? No. And is this in the form of y into f of xy? Xy term is there? No. And next, coming to method 4 and method 5, what we said? So here it is, simply if you observe that how many terms in m? Here it is 2 terms. And here how many terms? 3 terms. So which one is the smallest one? Smallest number? M is having the smallest one. So for that, which one we need to take the formula now? 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So this is the formula we need to apply. See here, previous problem. If you see that previous one, here it is 2 terms. And here it is having only 1 term. So that's why we applied 1 by n into this one. Okay. So, but here it is, if you observe this, m is having 2 and n is having 3 terms. So for that, I'm applying 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So 1 by m is nothing but what? Xy cube plus y. Okay. And dou n by dou x is nothing but what we got it. Directly you can multiply instead of the terms. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4xy square plus 2 minus dou m by dou y. So minus 3xy square minus 1. Okay, so minus of this one. And now you can simplify this one. 1 by, so here it is, which one is the common one? Y is the common one. You can take that one as common. What we'll get? Xy square plus 1. And here it is, 4xy square minus 3xy square is nothing but xy square plus 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So any cancellation one, xy square plus 1, xy square plus 1. Got it? 1 by y. So 1 by y is nothing but g of y we are taking. See, we got the function only it consisting of y terms. And now you need to find the integrating factor. So integrating factor is equal e power integral g of y dy. So this is equal to e power integral 1 by y dy. So which is e power 1 by y is nothing but log y. So e power log y is nothing but y. So this is the integrating factor. We got it here. And now we need to multiply this integrating factor with the given differential equation. So after multiplying, what we'll get? Y into xy cube plus y into dx plus 2y into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 dy is equal 0. So is this directly in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy is equal to 0, where m1 is equal. So simply what we can choose, y into xy cube plus y. After multiplying, what we'll get, xy power 4 plus y square. And next, n1 is nothing but, we can multiply y inside of the terms, then 2 into x square y cube plus xy plus y power 5. This is the one n1. Now you can check whether it is that conditions are satisfying or not. So dou m1 by dou y is equal. So m1 we are applying with respect to ym. So with respect to y means x is a constant one, 4 y cube, the derivative of y power 4 plus y square derivative is 2y. So simply what we got it, 4xy cube plus 2y. And next, dou n1 by dou x. Dou n1 by dou x is equal. With respect to x means y is a constant one. So 2 into y cube is a constant. And next, x square derivative is 2x plus y as it is, and x derivative is 1. And this is completely 0. Why? Because there is no x term. So it means simply what we got it. If you multiply 2 inside of that one, 4xy cube plus 2y. Okay, so this is the one. Dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. Dou m1 by dou y is equal dou n1 by dou x. So this is, both are equal. Now we need to find the general solution. The general solution is integral m1 dx. So m1 is nothing but what here, xy power 4 plus y square into dx plus integral n dy without having x. So this is n1 without having x. Which term available? Only one term, that is nothing but 2y power 5 dy is equal c. So here it is, with respect to x we are applying, y is a constant, y power 4 into x integration is x square by 2 plus y square is a constant, integral dx is nothing but x plus 2 into y power 5 integration is y power 6 by 6 is equal to c. And now here it is 2 1s and 2 3s. So here it is x square y power 4 by 2 plus xy square plus y power 6 by 3 is equal to c. If you take LCM, here it is 6 is the LCM, and then simply what we'll get, 3x square y power 4 plus 6xy square plus 2y power 6 is equal to c. It comes 6c, where 6c is also a constant. Simply we can write c1. So if you want, you can write, so in the entire term y square is the common one, you can take that one as common. So y square into, so 3x square y square plus 6x square, sorry 6x plus 2y power 4, then is equal to c1, where c1 is nothing but 6c, which is a arbitrary constant. Okay, so this is the way we need to solve that one. So